Torrential, the Home Secretary, is a person of colour. She clearly takes a very different view to Stanley, Harriet, Hashi, and I guess yourself as well. Is she not entitled to express her view?
Well, I think she's wrong about this, and I hope the events of the last 24 hours will have given her cause to reflect. I mean, in answer to Raveen's question, I've always understood why this gesture, of some people call it, was important and why it mattered. And I'm not sure I agree with Harriet that it should, we should simply respect their decision. We should support them in doing it. And it wasn't just the Home Secretary, it was the Prime Minister, it was the Tory MP whose name escapes me, who has boycotted the tournament. Yes, I mean, goodness gracious. I mean, what a silly man. Boycotted the whole tournament because of the players taking the knee. And, this is why they're doing it. Because of the racism that still exists in our society. Yes, it may be a small minority.